everyone, welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. I'm Darla and happy Monday. It is gorgeous here in Winnipeg. It's about, I don't know what the temperature is, but it's beautiful. We had kind of a chilly, rainy Saturday, but today's nice. So how's the weather in your neck of the woods? I hope you had a chance to go out and enjoy the weekend. All right, so today I'm featuring the lovely Crystal from Crystal, the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady. Hi, Crystal. I finished the shawl. I was showing you my progress on it, and now it's finished. Well, okay, it's not quite finished. I am working on the last row, and I got I don't know, quarter of the way this morning. But yesterday I did, I don't know, maybe 7 rows, but it took me all day because things kept coming up and I had to stop. So I tried to finish it this morning and I couldn't, so I thought I'm just going to show it the way it is because it's pretty much done, right? I only have part of a last row to do, like 3/4 of the row, and I have not sewn in my ends, but because I have an end at the start here. But well, you saw the fashion show at the beginning. Yeah, I'm kind of a goof, but anyway. So Crystal's pattern is called the Roundabout Ruffle Circular Shawl. Now let me fold this over here, and I will I'll link her tutorial below, and also she has this pattern for sale in her Ravelry store, so I'll link that link as well below if you'd like to make this. And so yeah, I can't believe I'm done. It is gorgeous, you guys. It's gorgeous. Okay, so let me just quickly show you, because you've already seen the fashion show. But just quickly show you the shawl. I don't want to put it on again because it is so hot here, and this one has wool in it. This is it here, and ruffle means it's roughly, because I was showing you guys before and I thought I had done something wrong, because I thought it's only supposed to be roughly across like the very bottom, but I guess it's because the way she has it laid down here, it just looks like that. But it starts to ruffle up, well, at least mine did as I worked on it. So this is it. These are the beautiful stitches. That's where I ended off on this last row. I just have to finish that and then it will be done. So this, I'm showing this as a finished object, and highlighting Crystal as one of my supporting smaller channels. Hashtag share along, supporting smaller channels. Well, you'll see the title. But I absolutely love it. I love it. I love all those different stitches you used, Crystal. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you the yarn I used, but first I just need a sip of coffee. Are you guys drinking anything right now? This is my second cup today. I usually have 2 cups of caffeine a day, and then a decaf later on. All right, so the yarn I used is this yarn right here. This is how it comes, like this, and it is Ecocom Stripes. That's the label, Ecocom Stripes. Made from recycled plastic, so don't put this in the dryer. And it also has wool. Hand wash is the best thing. Let's see, it's 200 grams, 433 yards. And this was a limited time only yarn by Loops and Threads. It's a medium 4. It is 60% recycled polyester. 15 acrylic, 15 polyester, and 10% wool. Hand wash cold, do not bleach, dry flat, do not iron. There we go. Rose, gray are the colors. And I had bought this at Michael's, I don't know when, a couple of years ago maybe. I had bought 3 of them. I'm pretty sure they were on sale because Canadian, they're $11.99. They must have been on sale because I would never have paid that. I probably, I think I did a haul on my channel. I probably did if I was making videos then when I bought this. But I used 2 complete balls, and then like the 3rd ball, I just got a little bit out of it. I'll need a little bit more to finish that row, of course. But I've hardly used anything out of this 3rd ball. And they're, like I said, 433 yards, so I used 866 yards for this shawl, and plus whatever more I used from this ball. And it suggests to use a 5.5mm hook. I actually used a 6 because I did want the stitches to be more open. I think Crystal suggests that in her pattern tutorial. But oh. Wait a minute, which way does this go? I think it goes this way. You know, it makes the stitches more open or more drapier. And this thing actually has some weight to it. With this yarn that I used, it's got some weight to it. Well, it weighs 400 grams. What is that? 454 is a pound? Feels like it weighs more than a pound. Well, maybe not. So if you guys want to make this, and I highly recommend it. I mean, she has the tutorial, and she goes at a certain distance. She doesn't, I don't think she shows all the repeats in the actual tutorial, but she has more instructions in her description box below her tutorial. And as for me reading patterns, I am not good at reading patterns. I get lost really easy. But I could tell you her pattern is well written, because once I found where I was at, it was so easy to understand. Easy. It's a very good pattern, Crystal, and kudos to you for an amazing, amazing design. Absolutely amazing design. I absolutely love it. I don't know how long it took you to design this, but it must have been a while. So thank you for this, Crystal, and I really, really, really appreciate that I won this pattern. She had a live, and a few of us won pattern, I guess, of our choice, and I chose this one, and I'm so glad I did. I love it. I love it so much. Doing the different stitches was fun. It was a lot of fun. And it was just fun. Just fun. And I really enjoyed it. And so yeah, if you guys want to make it, I highly recommend it. Thank you so much, Crystal. And thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate all of you. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye.